Hi, welcome back to Whimsy Crafter. I hope you all are doing great. It's a chilly January morning here in Kolkata, and today I am back with an unboxing video for you. You can see a huge box in front of me. I had ordered this off Amazon a while back and it has finally reached me today, and I'm going to unbox this for you. What this contains, we'll get to know only when I unbox the on sales of this box. So please don't forget to comment where you're watching this video from. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video if you found this useful. So let's get rolling with the unboxing. As I open the box, there are these huge, brackets that I can see. Let me just take them out one by one. So let's see what's written here. It's written vertical garden. So I have taken interest in this subject of late. So I just thought of playing around with the latest concepts in this regard. So what I have over here is a vertical garden setup. So I am going to use this vertical garden to adorn certain portions of my house, and this is just the background. Okay, so this is it comes in set of 13 or 14, 15. Probably 15. Yeah, 15. And I'll show you what else this box contains. So these are the pots in which I will be planting the plants, and then I will mount this entire setup on a wall. This is supposed to be a vertical garden to ensure that there is minimum wastage of space. So usually we make use of the floors, the gardens, the horizontal space that is available to us, but we often ignore the vertical spaces that we have around us. Okay, so this concept, the vertical gardening concept, actually plays around with this idea. So basically the concept is very simple. This is the bracket and this is my pot. Okay, so there are these slots over here and these pots come with hooks at the back. So I basically just clamp it onto the hooks and I fill this with potting media and any plant of my choice. Okay, so multiple pots can be stacked on a single bracket like this. Yes, this was the unboxing. This will be followed next by the mounting setup. So I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to it. So don't forget to comment below what plants I can include in this vertical gardening setup. If you already own such a setup, tell me your experience about it. I would love to read them. I love to interact with my viewers. So it's really it's a nice feeling to share ideas with each other, and I always appreciate that. So don't forget to comment your thoughts down below. Okay, let's get rolling with the mounting video. See you soon.